Okay, let's go to our next one. This is one that I think you will all be interested in, which is small talk at social events. So, this could be a party, or maybe you go to lunch with a friend and they bring two people who you don't know, right? Or something like this, any social event, a work party or a social gathering, anything like this, where it's social, right? Casual. And you're talking to people that you do not know yet. Okay, so let's look at some small talk at social events. A great starter for small talk is what brings you here? Oh, what brings you here? Let's say there's a big party that my friend is having and they know so many people. Oh, what brings you here? Oh, I'm friends with so and so and they invited me, right? So basically, why are you here? What made you come to this social event? Another great small talk conversation starter is asking how that person knows the host of the event. So let's say my friend my friend Molly is hosting a social event. She's having a party. She has a big house and many people are there, but it's her party. So when I see someone there, maybe I'm just hanging out, right? Someone is next to me. Oh, hey. So how do you know Molly? Oh, I met her, da da da. And then we can start our conversation just by sharing how we know the host of the party. Another great small talk conversation starter is giving someone a compliment. So, a compliment is saying something nice about that person. Maybe it's about their appearance, maybe it's about what they're wearing, right? So, usually, when we give a compliment to someone we don't know, we might comment or compliment them on something they're wearing. So I might say something like, wow, I love your shirt. Can I ask where you got it? So maybe I see someone wearing a shirt and it has my favorite singer on it, my favorite band. Wow, I love your shirt. Can I ask where you got it? Oh, thanks. Yeah. Oh, do you like this band too? I got this shirt at, right? So, a great way to start the conversation is just by giving someone a compliment. Another, so we have two more. The next one for a social event is how are you liking this social event? So we don't say social event. This is in what we call these parentheses. Why? Because we would replace this with a word like party. Or let's say there's a fundraiser. So that a fundraiser, when people have some big dinner or party to help raise money for some purpose. So how are you liking this party? How are you liking this fundraiser? Right? Just a casual, small talk conversation starter. Oh, it's really great. Or, oh man, I'm so bored. Or yeah, anything that they respond with, we can continue our conversation. And last, so here we have a statement we can use. Maybe I see someone who looks like they're really not having fun at this social event. I might say something like, it looks like you could use another drink. So just a funny way. Oh, maybe they are drinking wine, but it looks like, oh, this is not fun. Oh, looks like you could use another drink. So here are some small talk conversation starters for social events.